out here at Turkey Run. It's the first time I've been out here. There's Sugar Creek running through it. The creek's a little low. These wonderful cliffs over here with all these cedars and whatnot up through here. They got lots of sycamores and shagbark hickories, and there's a big drop off here. There's an old fence, but apparently the fence has collapsed down. But there's a trail running along it too. I guess that's probably deer and whatnot making their way to the water and to and from and whatnot. There's actually a trail that leads down right over here. But I don't think I'm going to attempt that today, because that's a little steep. It just kind of drops off there where that little tree is right there. But this is absolutely gorgeous out here. I'd love to go play in that water. It's a little cold for that though. Just happened to cross this tree that's got all kinds of initials and stuff carved in it. It's the only one out here that I've seen like this. There's one from 75, 76. Some of them are kind of illegible, but kind of goes almost the whole way. 72. Kind of goes the whole way around the tree, August 13th to 72. Pretty cool. There's Sugar Creek flowing under the bridge here. So I crossed the creek and came over here, and they got some cool little trails that leading up underneath these rocks and stuff. It's pretty cool back up in here. Got a natural rock house going on. If this was wild, you could have a decent shelter up in here and stay dry. The overhangs are clear out above you. Although I wouldn't want to have too much of a fire in here, but there's probably a bunch of snakes and stuff snuck up in them rocks. But some really cool trails. You're gonna go right down the water. And I keep seeing signs saying undertow and all that other stuff. I still want to swim in it. It's too cold right now, but this is cool. I can't see my screen, so I can't see what I'm focused on. But this is a cool little area. This would be a great find if you were kind of out in the woods and found all these rocks and stuff. It'd be a great little area to camp out. Here's a bridge going across. It's a nice suspension bridge. Not real great footing in places on this particular trail. It wouldn't be hard to be walking through here and smack your head or something, especially being tall like I am, and fall off in the water. Check out another trail. It's a cool little path back up in here. That's not the path, but it's a cool little area. Slick, like sandstone almost. Back up underneath this overhang. This is really cool. You go up and out that way. Let's see what's up there. Wow. More people scribing their name in the rocks. The kid in me wants to climb that, but I'm not gonna. Looks like maybe they carved this out to set beams in at one point. There's a bridge. Tracy down through there. But this is absolutely amazing back here. Sorry, I had you zoomed in. It's absolutely beautiful back here. I would love to have free roam of this place. I'd camp everywhere. Be camping up on there and over there. Checking out real quick, another quick trail. Looks like 3. Nice, neat ledges up in there. Goes back in this little alcove, looks like. Be a decent little place to crash for the night. Or up in there. Cool little alcove. Check out this alcove. Camera don't do it justice. Got a little bit of a stream running through here. Big rocks over there. Big rocks up above me. It's beautiful back here. See what's around this corner and then we'll go back across the creek. It's so cool back in here. That looks like it could be a waterfall during really wet times of the year. Wow. I gotta walk back there.